Homeowners in Des Allemands are always looking for ways to improve both the beauty and functionality of their homes. One upgrade that consistently delivers impressive results is the installation of bay windows. Known for their elegant design and practical benefits, bay windows can dramatically enhance a property's appearance, comfort, and overall value. If you're considering a home improvement project in Des Allemands, bay windows are a feature worth exploring. Increased natural light. One of the most noticeable benefits of bay windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a room. Unlike standard flat windows, bay windows extend outward from the home and are made up of 3 or more panels set at different angles. This design allows sunlight to enter from multiple directions throughout the day. For homeowners in Des Allemands, where sunny weather is common, this feature can brighten interior spaces and reduce the need for artificial lighting during daytime hours. More natural light can make rooms feel larger, more inviting, and more comfortable for everyday living. Enhanced curb appeal. Bay windows add a distinctive architectural feature that can instantly elevate the exterior of a home. Because they project outward, they create visual depth and character that flat windows simply cannot provide. For properties in Des Allemands, installing bay windows can give a home a more elegant and polished appearance. Whether your house has a traditional style or a more modern design, bay windows can complement the structure and create a focal point that enhances the overall aesthetic. Improved curb appeal can also make a home stand out in the neighborhood, which is particularly beneficial if you ever decide to sell your property. Additional interior space. Another practical advantage of bay windows is the extra interior space they create. Because the window extends outward from the wall, it adds a small nook or ledge inside the home. Many homeowners in Des Allemands turn this area into a cozy reading corner, a decorative display space, or even built-in seating with storage. In living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens, this additional space can make the room feel more open while providing functional uses that standard windows cannot offer. Even a few extra square feet can make a noticeable difference in how a room feels and functions. Better views of the outdoors. Des Allemands is known for its scenic surroundings and relaxed atmosphere, and bay windows can help homeowners enjoy those views even more. Because they offer a wider viewing angle than traditional windows, bay windows provide a panoramic perspective of the outdoors. Whether you're overlooking your yard, nearby water, or beautiful Louisiana landscapes, bay windows allow you to take in more of the scenery from the comfort of your home. This feature can make everyday moments, like enjoying your morning coffee or watching the sunset, feel more special. Improved ventilation. Many bay window designs include operable side panels that can open to allow fresh air inside. This makes it easier to improve airflow within your home. In Des Allemands, where warm temperatures and humidity are common, proper ventilation can help maintain indoor comfort. Opening the side windows of a bay window can create cross breezes that help circulate fresh air throughout the room. Better ventilation can also contribute to a healthier indoor environment. Increased property value. Home improvements that enhance both aesthetics and functionality often increase property value, and bay windows are no exception. Because they improve curb appeal, add natural light, and provide extra interior space, bay windows are considered a desirable feature by many buyers. For homeowners in Des Allemands, installing bay windows can be a smart investment. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, the added comfort and beauty they bring to your home can make the upgrade worthwhile. A stylish and practical upgrade. Bay windows offer a unique combination of style and practicality. From brightening rooms with natural light to creating charming interior spaces and improving exterior appeal, they provide benefits that homeowners can enjoy every day. For properties in Des Allemands, installing bay windows is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's an upgrade that enhances how your home looks, feels, and functions for years to come.